am literally crazy. And I only say that because, like, who do I think I am? Like, who do I think I am around here building all of these garden beds? But you know what? I'm going to do this. I'm going to do this. With y'all's help, with YouTube's help, and with the help of the Lord, we are going to be professional gardeners. Do you hear me? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to be setting up and designing my brand new garden. If you've been here, then you know that we just recently took down our old pergola and put up a new gazebo. So we were not going to let that wood go to waste. So because I had a little bit of success with a grow bag garden, now what you see is me building an entire set of garden beds. Okay, so this is my little trial starter garden. Y'all already see, y'all see them tomatoes back there in the back. I did that. And look. Hold on. Yes, that is a zucchini there. I got a couple of collard greens in the front. And this is this is just a little grow bag. I think it was like 2 by 2 feet, something like that. So just a real small area. So when I started, I'm like, I'm gonna just start small and let's see how this goes. This was so successful. So this ended up turning into this. Y'all, I am literally crazy. And I only say that because, like, who do I think I am? Like, who do I think I am around here building all of these garden beds? But you know what? I'm gonna do this. I'm going to do this. With y'all's help, with YouTube's help, and with the help of the Lord, we are going to be professional gardeners. Do you hear me? So look, I've already kind of set it up and designed it because I know while I'm setting it up, because I know what I want it to look like in the future with all of the plants in there. And I'm going to end up putting an arch there, and I want the archway to be overlooking the water. I'm already thinking about like pictures and stuff. Y'all just don't mind me. But yeah, so like I said, this wood, y'all can see, it was our old pergola. Was not going to let it go to waste. Wood is crazy expensive right now. If y'all were to go purchase wood right now, this is probably going to cost you somewhere upwards of $300 to $500. If it's cedar, more than that. This is how it's going so far. The last thing that I'm about to do right now, y'all see my boards were already bent up. I told y'all on the last video, the pergola had started to bend and warp, and y'all can see they're not perfect. So just to clean it up a little bit, I went to the store and bought these little 1 by 3s, and I see they're small. Bought these 1 by 3s, and I'm going to cut them up, and then I'm just going to put them on the edges just to make it look better. Y'all know it has to be aesthetically pleasing for me. All right, so what I am doing, you guys, y'all just saw me edge. I just made an edge line so I can kind of get an idea of the outline of the garden, duh. And then now I took my mower and I put my mower on its lowest setting, and I'm just going through all the pathways right now, and then I'm going to lift the boxes up and go through that too. Basically, instead of digging up all of this grass, which would take a while and be a lot of waste to get rid of. I'm just gonna maul it all down like as low as it can go, and then after I get finished taking the grass all the way down, I'm just gonna lay down the landscape fabric, and hopefully that is gonna eventually end up, well, it's gonna kill the grass anyway, because cutting it this low, it kills it anyway. But then putting the landscape fabric over it and not giving it any, well, I guess it'll have air, I don't know. It's gonna kill it. I mean, you know, if you lay anything on the grass for a while, it dies. So that's how I'm gonna do it, because I just do not have it in me to take up all of this grass. It's no way. Then I'm actually gonna be putting some gravel on top of the fabric, so the walkway areas that y'all see are actually going to be really nice gravel. And I also really wanted it to be its own defined space, so putting a different type of ground coverage over here is going to define this space better. It's going to look really nice, and then I don't have to worry about mowing between every bed every other week. We just mow around it, and we're going to have gravel in there, and we don't have to worry about grass growing up through it or whatever. We're gonna be good to go. So I'm going to finish taking this all the way down, and then I'm going to be laying some landscape fabric. Y'all, we have worked and worked, and we're still working, but I just want to show you where we are. I'm trying to hurry up before the sun goes all the way down. All right, we got all of the fabric down, and let me show y'all. I ran out of fabric right here, but if this happens for you, of course I suggest getting the fabric, but for this last little bit, I was not going to go back and get another 100 yards of fabric, so I just went ahead and just used some trash bags right here. I literally cut them so they would fold over and open up the long way. So that's what I did. Y'all already see we got that big bed over there. Hi guys. Y'all, that is my son over there. They walk around the lake and feed the ducks. But anyway, y'all already see we got that big bed over there filled. So what happened was Antonio went to Lowe's for me to get the stakes to stake down this fabric, which are these. You will need these to just stake it in and keep the fabric down. But when he went there, they had a pallet of soil, a whole pallet, y'all. So it was like 16, 17 bags, this size bag right here. They had it for $22, something like that, because some of the bags were bust open. So we hopped right on that, and so grateful for that, because if y'all do not know, a bag this size, I think the regular price is almost $9 something. So to basically get the bags for less than $2? Yeah, so he hopped on that. Now he actually went back because they had more than one pallet. They had another pallet, and he went back to go get another pallet because of course we have another bed to fill in. Anyway, the last thing that I'm doing for today, just wanted to show you guys, put these stakes down and keep this fabric down, and then I guess when Antonio comes back, we're going to fill up that big one over there, because these little ones not worried about. So thank y'all, appreciate y'all for hanging with me. Your girl is tired, your girl is sweating, but your girl got it done. So I will see y'all on the next video. Make sure to stay tuned, because I'm going to show you how we're going to finish this. Of course, this is not it. We got to make it look good. Y'all already know. We're going to be putting down some gravel. We're going to be putting up some arches, some different things like that. And then, of course, the most important part, we're going to be planting these beds. Thank y'all for joining me for another video again, and I will see you guys on the next one.